Hello everyone. Welcome to Magical Stocks channel, where fundamentals meet technical. PSE index bounced back from 6,791.46 last November 27, 2020 to 7,134.56 this December 4, 2020 closing. It is a huge 5.05% gain. Last week's downtrend was really a correction and profit-taking in the market. For our magical stocks, it managed to gain 6.18% from the same date, beating the market by more than 1%. In this video, we will show you the suggested steps if we opted to schedule our buying on a monthly basis for our magical stocks. Plus, we will also show the current magical stocks selling signal. And before we proceed with our topic, and if you are interested in investing using our magical stocks or simply like to monitor the effectiveness of our system, please like this channel, subscribe and hit the notification button to keep you updated weekly. Last week, our magical stocks and PSE index difference was 19.81% and a record high that day. This week, closing last December 4, 2020, the difference went up to 22.33%. A new record, beating the all-time high last week. Our experimental magical stocks for November did well last week too. It managed to gain a high of 7.3% for the week, while the PSE index got a minus 0.49% gain or a 0.49% loss. PSE index and our experimental magical stocks difference is also widening just like our October magical stocks. The gap now is at 7.3%. Please take note that we started to compare our November magical stocks last November 20, 2020. For our topic, let's briefly discuss the magical stocks investment with a monthly schedule of buying instead of quarterly. Remember that we are buying every 5 stocks every 3 months from the previous video. Instead of buying 5 stocks every 3 months, we will buy 2 stocks for the first month, 2 stocks for the second month and 1 stock for the third month. That will complete the 5 stocks for the quarter. Come the second quarter, we will do the same until we complete the buying of the planned 20 stocks. That will complete the 20 stocks investment. We can then follow the same steps for steps 5 to 8. For the selling signal of our magical stocks, all our magical stocks have a sell signal already, and we need to decide if we will sell or not. Let's check it briefly. First is LTG, its current price is 13.5 pesos per share, which is within our selling target. The MACD chart is not yet crossed and the stochastic oscillator has crossed. Only 2 out of 3 criteria passed, we still hold this stock. Second is DMC, the current price is at 5.77 pesos per share, which is not yet in our selling window. We need to wait for 10 pesos per share to check the MACD and stochastic for the sell signal. Looking at its chart, the stock has a lot of potential to rise within our target price. We hold this stock for the moment. MEG is next, its current price is 4.02 pesos per share, which is already inside our target price. Looking at the MACD and stochastic oscillator, it hasn't crossed on its topmost part of the chart. We hold this stock and wait for the MACD to cross and the stochastic oscillator to cross above 80. The current price of our next stock, GT Cap, is 649 pesos per share. Though it is already high and we are already gaining 58.35%, it is not yet in our selling window. We therefore hold this stock and wait to go above 800 pesos per share level. The MACD and stochastic oscillator also signal that it is still bullish. Fifth is SECB. Current price is 134 pesos per share, which is not yet within our selling window. We therefore hold this stock. The MACD and stochastic oscillator shows a very bullish trend, and we are positive that SECB will reach our target and eventually sell within 140 to 240 pesos per share. To summarize, all our magical stocks are still on hold and will not be sold for the time being. However, 2 stocks, LTG and MEG, already reached our target selling window. We are closely reviewing the weekly MACD and stochastic oscillator of these 2 stocks. If the signal shows to sell, we will take profit. For these 2 stocks, we are using the GTM term of BPI trade in selling the stocks. This means that we are selling the stocks at this price from December 5, 2020, currently queued in the market up to January 5, 2021. Both stocks are being sold at our highest target price so as not to miss the action when there will be price increase. That will be all for this week. Thank you for watching, and for next week, we will show you how to experience the BPI Trade stock platform even without an account. Quote, "The stock market is a device to transfer money from the impatient to the patient." Unquote. Warren Buffett. See you next week. Have a great day ahead.